Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Lives to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I've done one, but you guys have requested a recipe plan with me for a while now. So one of the recipes that has been requested is my whole wheat strawberry protein muffins. So I'm going to be decorating this week using the Modern Farmhouse sticker book and showing you the recipe for this amazing muffin that I have every day. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first thing I want to do is put down, I guess this main sticker is really where the ingredients are going to go. I'm going to put that right along the side here. Put this right up near the top actually. And yeah, then just looking, is that going to be enough for the ingredients? 1, 2, 3, 4, 11. Oh yeah. I'll make room. Then, in terms of the instructions, like there's not a lot of big boxes left over here. Okay, could use those for the instructions. These. There's a few things I could use. Okay, so maybe for the instructions, I'll just write it out and I'll use black for the instructions. And then up here, I'm just gonna use my Kelly Creates fine brush pen to write the name of the recipe. So it's whole wheat strawberry banana protein muffins. It's a long, long name for a recipe, but these are so good. Basically, I found this recipe on Pinterest and I amended it a bit so that it could have a lot more protein powder in it. And it does change the consistency a little bit. It's not a dry, crumbly muffin, which I actually do not like. But these are delicious. So it's not necessarily the same consistency as a regular muffin, but I also believe it's because of the amount of protein powder I put in. And I love strawberries. So I feel like I have to concentrate while I'm doing this. Banana. One of the reasons why I haven't done one in so long is oh gosh, I'm gonna run out of the room for the word muffins. Put it down here, thank goodness, is the amount of views that I was getting for my recipe plan with me's. It wasn't enough for me to justify doing it every week. So this is a special one. Whole wheat banana protein muffins. Whole wheat oh my gosh, long name. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do first is actually write out the ingredients and then the recipe itself, and then I'll go ahead and decorate. So I'm gonna zoom in. So the ingredients for this, there's 11 ingredients. So the first thing you'll need are 2 bananas, ripe, what am I talking about? 1 egg, 1 large egg, half a cup, I guess plain fat-free Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup unsweetened, I'm just going to write unsweet almond milk, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 3/4 cup whole wheat flour, or if you are gluten intolerant, then use a flour that would work for you. 2 tablespoons flaxseed, 2 teaspoon baking powder. It's a good thing my writing is small. 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1 cup strawberries, and I do 6 scoops or about 120 grams, and I use Arbonne strawberry protein powder. Phew, a lot of ingredients, but it all does work out. So then in here, I'm just gonna write, is it instructions or directions? It is instructions. Okay. So I do think I need a lot of room for these instructions just because there is a bit more than usual. Okay, so the first thing is preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, then you spray a regular size muffin tin, one with 12, with cooking spray and dust with whole wheat flour. Not the 3/4 cups that you're going to use in the recipe, but extra. And make sure the sides and bottom are covered. Okay, so second, in a medium bowl, mash 2 bananas with a fork until smooth. Then add Greek yogurt, egg, almond milk, and vanilla extract. So you're combining all the wet ingredients. Mix until combined. And third, in another medium bowl, it's the dogs next door barking. So in another medium bowl, add all dry ingredients. So that would be the whole wheat flour, protein powder, flax seeds, baking powder and salt, and mix to combine. And I normally just mix it with a fork so that they're all well incorporated. Then add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix just enough to combine. You don't want to over mix it because you don't want the gluten to start forming and make the muffins really rubbery. However, if you find if the texture is too dry, add a little bit more almond milk. So almost a 1/3 cup of almond milk you'll need rather than a 1/4 cup, but that depends on the consistency. Then add the diced strawberries. So obviously you don't want to put the strawberries in whole, you want to dice them into nice tiny pieces. And mix to combine. So don't overmix. And then 5, using, can you still see? Yeah. Using a 1/4 cup measuring spoon, distribute the batter evenly among the 12 muffin tins. Muffin forms, not tins. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until toothpick inserted into middle comes out clean, and let cool completely before serving. So it's a lot of instructions, but super cute. Now I'm going to then add, what would work there? These would work well here. So take one of these. Yeah, and one of the peachy ones. So put green first, and that's where I'm going to put the serving, so it makes 12 muffins. And then I'll put the points value. So it makes 12 muffins. And on green, it's two smart points on green. And if you are on blue or purple, I'm just thinking here, even the whole wheat flour would be 0, I believe. And I don't think actually it's 0. Just enter this into the recipe builder of the WW app. Depending on what plan you're on, I'm going to be able to find the smart points value. So I'm going to zoom out now. And now I'm going to finish decorating. So I normally try to leave the decorating for after I've written it all. Now I don't want to necessarily start using a new book, but I'm out of those florals. So I feel like there's more that I missed near the front there. So let's just put, oopsie. Yeah, I don't mind if it runs over. Okay, don't want to have to use all of that. So find other ways to decorate other than just using those flowers. So I'm going to use this one. No, I won't because it doesn't fit. Ugh. Okay, let's find stickers that do fit. Okay. Gosh, this is hard when I'm trying not to use all of the other stickers, so do something good today. Yeah, I really don't want to break into my other sticker book yet because I know I'll need them. I can hear my kids upstairs. Okay, what else can I add? I'm gonna add this to this side here. And I might have to just use, decorate the bottom with some florals because I'm like that and I can't. This looks more like rosemary. Then go to the front. I don't know why they're separated. Shouldn't be separated. And then I'm going to put one of the longer quotes across the front. This one, do all things with love. All right, what do you guys think? I love the way that that looks. It's cute. I love how neutral it is and the pink still matches with everything. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.